To sew a nose, start with thread that matches the nose color. You're going to ladder stitch the nose to the face with the nose being pinned down. I'm making very small stitches, maybe 3 millimeters, and pulling the thread tightly as I go. Make sure to control your threads so that it does not knot. I ease it down with holding my finger in the loop. Now when I'm stitching the nose, I'm keeping my stitches consistently just underneath the nose seam where the two pieces of fabric are sewn together. This keeps the nose from being crooked. Again, controlling the tangles. You can use beeswax or thread conditioner to also help smoothen the thread and keep these knots from forming as you're sewing.